Great today, thanks again, once again, like every transformative experience, they show you how the power of mind impacts your body, but also your body impacts your mind. And I have for one, was a bit stressed about it yesterday doing it. I was humming throughout the whole thing. Today my goal was to be a bit more peaceful, which happened. It was amazing, it was great. Those two facilitator team are doing a great duo, great power duo. So I encourage everyone in New York or elsewhere, Miami I heard, to join their workshop. It's great fun, interactive, sharing, some soul searching with the body. It's a complete mind and body experience. So good job.
Thank you so much.